Here we have yet another beautiful 2018 Toyota Hilux 2.8 GD6 Raider double cab. It's automatic and it's a beautiful bakkie, including the canopy. It's a Ram canopy with a roof rack and it's rubberized on the inside with a tow bar. New tires, beautiful mags. It's a Dakar and it's a beautiful bakkie. And the inside is beautiful as a brand new bakkie with a big screen. It's an automatic. It's a 4x2. It has leather seats with no problems. And the back seats also as new as it can be. And this canopy comes with 3 doors, 2 on the side and 1 on the back, in a great condition. And it also has the spotlights on. And this beautiful 2018 Toyota Hilux 2.8 GD6 Raider automatic double cab Dakar bakkie with 106,000 kilometers on, including all those extras, is going for a price of 529,900 Rand, and it's available at Kimberley Bakkie Center.